Welcome to Jet King Rajajinagar virtual video training program. Myself Mohammad Akib, I am a student of Jet King. Today I'll show you how to do crimping.
Okay, before do crimping, so we need to know the color codes of the cable for Ethernet cable. So here I have two type of color code defined by EIA, TIA. EIA means Electronics Industry Association, TIA means Telecommunication Industry Alliance. These two peoples, they are defined two standard color codes for crimping. So first one is 568A, second one is 568B. In my 568A, so my first color cable is white green, second one is green, third one is white orange, fourth one is blue, fifth one is white blue, sixth one is orange, seventh one is white brown, eighth one is brown. In my 568B color code, so first one is white orange, second one is orange, third one is white green, fourth one is blue, fifth one is white blue, sixth one is green, seventh one is white brown, eighth one is brown. Using these two color codes, it's possible to crimp three types of cable. First one, straight through cable. Second one, crossover cable. Third one, rollover cable. So now I will show you pre-requirements to do crimping. Okay. To do crimping. This is my crimper. This is my crimping tool. This is my RJ45 connector. So it's a 8 pin. It's a 8 pin modular connector. It has 8 pins. Okay. So then I need cable, tester, cable. This is my Ethernet cable. So then we need cable tester. After crimping the cable, it's necessary to test the connectivity. For that I need cable tester. Okay, now so I will show you how to do crimping. First, take a cable and strip out the outer jacket. Strip out the outer jacket, then remove the external protective wire from the cable. Then straight all the wires. While removing the cable, please take care of the wires. So because the cable crimper, so it's very sharp, it may cut the external plastic coating of your pairs. So please take care of that. Okay, then cut the cable carefully. Then after removing external protective nylons, cut the pairs, cut the cable straight. It should be straight. Okay, then take a RJ45 connector. The needle face of the RJ45 connector should be towards your face. Okay, so then now insert the RJ45 connector. So before inserting the RJ45 connector to the cable, so it necessary to arrange the wires according to color code. Here, so I am arranging my one end of my cable with 568B color code. It should start from white orange, white green, blue, green, white brown. So like that you need to arrange the order of your wires. Here I have 8 wires. So 8 wires. See here, so I am arranging the order. See, first white orange, then white green, blue, white blue, green, then white brown. So it should be in a correct format. Then take a RJ45 connector, then turn towards your face, then insert that RJ45 connector to the jack to the cable pairs. Then take a crimper, pull the insert the RJ45 connector with the cable to the crimper, then pull tightly, then crimp. It will produce some slight sound. Okay, so means the crimping is perfect. The sound of that defines the crimping is perfect. After crimping, check the alignment of the crimper. So then check the connectivity of the cable using cable tester. Okay, connect one end to the one side of the tester, so another end to the other side of the tester. Then turn on the tester. See, it will display all the wires. So this is how to do the crimping. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. For more queries, contact Jet King Rajajinagar. Thank you.